to woes. We can't stop or follow nobody, and there's no surprise. So I keep on baffling, she can't stop me, hoping it will happening. And I can't keep denying it. It's true that I'm admiring. We can't stop or follow nobody, and there's no surprise.
Well, a very good evening to you on what is pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are... And the finish! Goal!
And some of the best managers I played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it. Oh, that was a cracking little exchange to set up the finish, and a lovely understanding between both players. I mean, that's clearly tailored on the training ground and delivered beautifully on match day.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Oh, and look who's there doing the defending. Well, that's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. No, ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. And here's Van Basten.
Van Basten really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
Vieira battles to win it back. De Bruyne. Memphis Depay. Rodri. Kimmich. And it's Gascoigne. And he's there to hoof it away. It's out of play for a goal kick. Davis. Rashford. Gascoigne. Almost half an hour in now. There has been just the early goal here, and the score is 1-0. De Bruyne. And here's Rashford. Davis looks to dink one in. Gets up to head it! Gascoigne tries to get it forward quickly. He's found his man. And it's Vieira. A heavy challenge. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. Davis. Ziyech. Now it's Memphis Depay. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Van Basten. He's in! He's gone for it! It's a goal! A 2-goal lead and they're firmly in control.
Oh, that was such a smart exchange of passes, and it took so many defenders out of play in one quick movement. Wonderful goal.
Referee's had a look and he's blown his whistle for half-time. Where do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
It has been a remarkable contest, decorated by goals, and 2 between them at half-time. So we're already into the second period. Ziyech. And here's Depay. Rashford. Rashford!
Can't be expected to deliver anything better than that. This is heroic keeping.
And it's Gascoigne. And here's Van Basten. Going for goal! Hits off target and by quite a way.
Van Basten put absolutely everything he had into that. Maybe better luck next time.
De Bruyne. Davis drives it forward. Vidal. Davis. Vidal. Ziyech. De Bruyne. Davis. Rashford is onto it and can take it up. Well, the crowd clearly like what they just saw. Some real no-nonsense defending.
Well, I'm a believer in having faith in your ability, but he's overdone it then.
Keeper sends it forward. Now it's Messi. Now it's Messi. Messi plays big chance! And in it goes!
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Listen, goals change games, and that has changed the whole complexion of this one. They have the momentum now. There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Danilo with the crossfield ball. Davis. Rashford. Plays it in. In with a header! He will be livid with himself.
Well, he did get himself into a good position. Something for him to cling to.
Well, there is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Into the last 5 minutes. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Roberto Carlos. And it's Vieira. Vieira! Oh, that was no routine save.
Vieira is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
Oh, smart save. Into stoppage time, very little left on it. Messi just brushed off the ball there. And that's it. Well, whatever the shortcomings on either side, it was a great game to watch. Just